Oh, they definitely are responsible. Oh, this guy's having a bad day. Today we're watching Total Idiots at Work number 8. Best Funny Work Fails Video 2023 from the channel Idiots Work. I'm attorney Darryl Isaacs, the Kentucky Hammer, and you're watching Hammer's Law. Today I'll be watching people's accident at work to decide if it's their fault and if they're out of luck or if the job is responsible for the accident and they can have a lawsuit. Let's check it out.
This guy attempted to close the manhole, but ultimately slipped and fell inside.
Oh my gosh.
Ouch.
Wow. That was painful. So I guess my question is, who's at fault?
A manhole.
I think something like that. I would lean toward it's the workplace's responsibility. I mean, they had an unsafe condition, and here a guy was sitting here and he actually fell in. I mean, it's almost like a no-brainer.
This biker's comical imitation of a cyclist on the road is definitely a funny watch. Every boss should organize this game for their employees at the end of each month.
He got no cash.
A Brazilian farmer has added a new buddy to his farming team.
I'm a bad boy.
Okay, come on. Hey, really? Don't you want to know how long that animal actually could drive that? Okay, this does not look like it's going to end very well.
And this excavator helps tourists to safely cross over to the other side.
Thank you.
I was totally wrong. Here, I thought something was going to happen, that they were going to fall in.
Don't drive with an open trailer door. It's a disaster waiting to happen.
Oh. Oh.
My car!
Well, I think we all know who's responsible over there.
He loudly bellowed stop, but it was like he was talking to a brick wall.
Okay, this might be a little harder than I thought to try to figure this out.
This guy stumbled at work, resulting in a hilarious mess of broken eggs.
My eggs! My eggs!
So, even though in a typical worker comp, fault is not an issue, because in worker comp, you give up liability for tort, basically. So the employer is always presumed at fault. But here, you have to wonder, wouldn't they be training everybody you got all these obstacles? I mean, it's obviously the workplace, and they're going to be at fault. But I also feel bad for the employee because, I mean, it's almost like a hidden danger. They needed to be warned. Hopefully he wasn't hurt too bad.
When it comes to loading competition bikes, these airport employees aren't being gentle.
Oh, okay. Now I know what happens to all my luggage because I travel a lot. They just slam that bike. They definitely are responsible.
Trying to work with your better half can make for a real stressful day. Good luck if you're up for the challenge.
What's the matter with you?
I think the moral of that story is don't have your spouse at work with you. He got distracted.
It's no secret that entry-level mistakes are common when entering the job market.
Oh. Okay, that could have happened to any of us. Here the guy's moving the crates. Again, I just have so much pity for the person that's caught in the act. Oh.
Unfortunately, he has to make eggs for lunch again today.
Could you please?
This guy's having a bad day.
This is one of the funniest and most ridiculous attempted thefts ever caught on surveillance camera.
Adios.
I don't think the thieves were too smart there.
This workaholic's brain never takes a break, even when he is at home. And this guy is all washed up. He's stuck in a sticky situation with his washing machine.
Oh my gosh. So here, why is this person trying to lift a machine by himself?
I'm stronger. I'm smarter.
This lady's not playing around.
This can't
She's
be good.
shoveling
It's
snow
shoveling
off her
the
car
windshield.
like a boss.
How much scratches?
This guy at work tried to look cool by being silly, but ended up regretting it.
Oh, this video brings up a good point. If a worker now goes out of their scope and does something that could be deemed intentional, are they still able to recover? Well, believe it or not, in this scenario, even though he was silly, he's still going to be entitled to recover.
This man has found a new use for his chainsaw, but I can't say it's the safest idea.
Oh my gosh, he is. Why would you do that? Okay, everybody. We just saw a man with a chainsaw using it on an electrical cord. I don't know how anybody could do that and have an expectation to recover.
This car didn't seem too happy about having its engine removed in such a way.
Ouch!
Obviously, I don't think anybody was hurt, but you saw an employee trying to remove an engine and it literally fell out underneath. Man, some of these videos are a trip.
This dude thought cleaning his electrical tools with water would be a bright idea.
Oh my gosh. So again, do not submerge anything with electricity in water.
Don't be like this driver who left the passenger door open in order to accommodate their oversized load.
So again, we have a car driving because he can't shut the passenger door. What do you think's going to happen?
What would be your reaction if you looked out the window of your plane and saw someone taping up a wing?
Well, I know as much as I fly, I would not like that. He's just taping a wing.
Let me off the plane.
In the pool, you always have to wait until the end of the game to declare a winner.
Yes, it's not over till the lady finishes singing.
This teacher was lucky when the chalkboard suddenly fell.
Well, no issue here on liability. I mean, the teacher was doing his job, but luckily he wasn't hurt.
Moving a refrigerator can be an incredibly daunting task.
Oh, now we know why all these moving companies, when you move, always end up footing a little extra of the bill.
Stupid fridge. Stupid fridge guys.
Construction can be a real pain in the neck or back, as in this case. Thankfully, he
Oh, wow. This poor worker, obviously he did nothing wrong, but it doesn't look like he was hurt, but he'd have no issue recovering.
is okay though. This driver forgot to put away their laundry before hitting the road, and now they're paying the price with an unexpected hitchhiker. Who needs a paint roller when you have a broom? This guy is definitely taking DIY to the next level.
Hey, he's improvising. I mean, he doesn't have a roller, so he's using a broom.
Car washes are designed to clean your car, but they can also cause damage if you don't take the proper precautions.
Oh my God.
This tow truck driver forgot to check his blind spots before moving forward.
Oh man. Wow. Can you imagine coming back and your car's been smashed? Hopefully they left the information or waited for the owner to come back.